NBC News World Headquarters in New York. This is NBC Nightly News with Lester Holt.
This water's too cold. I asked for 75 degrees. This is 74.5. Hello and good evening. My name is Lester Holt, and this is your NBC Nightly News. Today we have a special segment on the invasive Burmese python species, featuring a live interview with our at-the-scene reporter Justin Kung Pao, who is stationed in the Everglades National Park on the tip of the Florida Peninsula. He is there with an invasive species specialist investigating the effects of the Burmese python in the ecosystem. And now to Justin Kung Pao.
Yes, hello Lester. I'm here in the Florida Everglades, where the Burmese python has been disrupting the natural ecosystem since the 1980s. I'm currently here with invasive species specialist Australian Katie Spencer to learn more about this troublesome invasive species.
All right, thank you, Jackson, for the introduction. Yeah, like he said, I'm here to tell you about the deadly dangers of this invasive snake.
All right, Australian Katie, I understand that the Burmese python was released into wild during the strike of Hurricane Andrew in 1982. How has the population spread since then?
The Burmese python population is estimated to be over 100,000 snakes in the Everglades alone. These bloody snakes have no natural predators here, and they lay between 50 and 100 eggs each time.
Oh.
From the minute they're hatched, they're already one of the largest snakes in this delicate ecosystem. They compete with native species like the indigo snake, and they eat almost any animal that crosses their path, including deer and gators.
That's better. Katie, can you tell us more about how they are threatening the Everglades?
Right, so the Everglades are home to many unique species that can't be found anywhere else in the world. And due to the insatiable appetite of the Burmese python, the integrity of many of these species is being endangered. The white ibis and the key largo wood rat are suffering immensely from the presence of the Burmese python, whereas common species like raccoons and possums, the numbers have been down by about 99%.
So Katie, what makes this Burmese python so disruptive? Why is it such a menacing predator?
Right, so this species is just so adaptable. Recent research has showed that the Florida pythons have altered their digestive physiology so that they can eat prey more efficiently and constantly. Here, I'm sure they're so common, I'm sure we could find one around here. It's perfect weather for python hunting because it's just rained. And this species loves these moist conditions. Oh!
Oh.
Oh, come here. Look at this beauty. She is absolutely gorgeous. Now these snakes can grow up to 25 feet in length, and their girth can be as wide as a telephone pole. Take a closer look at these beautiful scales. Oh, she's getting a bit snippy with me. Crikey, she bit. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
Oh my goodness, is she alright?
Oh yeah, man, I'm alright. Burmese pythons are not venomous, but they pack a vicious bite.
Okay, so what can we do to reduce the impact of the Burmese python on the Florida Everglades?
Well, the only thing we can do is just exterminate them. The National Park Service hires special hunters to come in and locate these pythons. The hunters are awarded cash prizes for killing these pythons based on number and weight.
Right, all right, Australian Katie Spencer. Well, that is all the time we have for today. Oh my goodness. I'm Justin Kung Pao. Back to you, Lester.
Thanks, Justin Kung Pao and Australian Katie Spencer, and thank you for watching. This has been NBC Nightly News with Lester Holt. Good night. What are you? Oh my God, get away. Okay, Jesus.